In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move columns and rows in QuickBooks. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just starting out, organizing your data within QuickBooks can be crucial for maintaining clarity and efficiency in your reports. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can streamline your workflow and make the most of this powerful tool. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your QuickBooks account. You can do this by heading to QuickBooks Online. If you haven't already signed in, you'll want to look for the Sign In button and give it a click. This will prompt you to a page where you can select QuickBooks Online from the options given. This is important because QuickBooks offers different products, and today we are focusing on the online version. Once you've selected QuickBooks Online, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Be sure to type in your username and password and then click on the Continue button to gain access to your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there is an option to recover it right there on the login page. Now that you're signed in, it's time to navigate to the Reports section. This can be found easily along the left-hand side of your screen. The Reports tab is a gateway to all the data you need to access, modify, or present. Simply click on the Reports tab to open it. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with a variety of reports to choose from. Next, select the report you wish to view. This step allows you to work with the specific set of data that you're interested in. With your report open, you can begin making the necessary adjustments to your columns and rows. To move columns, look for the small vertical line that's located between each column header. This line is your tool for resizing and rearranging data columns according to your needs. Simply click and hold the line, and then drag it left or right to adjust the width of the column to your preference. If you need to reorder the columns, you can click on the column header itself and drag it to your desired position. Now, while rearranging, it's useful to know that QuickBooks automatically saves these adjustments, so there's no need to manually save your changes. This ensures that the next time you access this report, your columns will stay just where you positioned them. Taking the time to arrange your columns and rows efficiently can greatly enhance the readability and presentation of your reports. By following these steps, you're not just organizing data, you're improving how you interact with it in QuickBooks. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.